Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial with me, Luca. Today I'm gonna show you guys PearlSpin. Let's talk about what PearlSpin is first. PearlSpin is a game where the users in your chat can type a comment and then they can win pearls or lose pearls in a simple way set with an implemented OBS overlay that will make it look pretty cool. Additionally, the broadcaster will be able to receive rewards, so that he will be rewarded with 1% of the winnings. You can reread that here when you click this button. So yeah, the broadcaster gets something out of it, the users get some fun out of it. I think it's a pretty cool tool that you can implement if you have OBS and if you want to. The only requirement for using this feature is that you stream under the 18+ hashtag. If not, it won't work. All right, so first things first, you can click here on this OBS button, which will copy a URL. Then you will open up your OBS and you can click down here on the left to click add source, and then you click on browser, and then you call this thing like PearlSpin or whatever you want to call it. You press OK. You paste in here in the URL the thing that you just copied from the other side. And then for the width you put 1200, for the height 720, you set the custom frame rate of 50, and then you press OK. Now you have implemented the feature. Now we have to position it. A simple way to position the feature is by going here on the PearlSpin, making sure that show game preview is on, and then you click test OBS. What that does is it's gonna open it up and it's gonna show it at least once. Now what you can do is position it in two cool ways. The first way would be just position it like this, or the second way is you can go into you can cut it to like be smaller. So how you do that is you can on Windows click the Alt button and these little squares on the sides, and you can crop it. You can do that, or if you're not able to do that, you can go under filters, effect filters, plus, crop pad, OK, and then left and right, you can set those higher to crop it. Once you figured out where you want to position it, what you can do next is set up two settings. The show game preview, which will show the game at all times. If you keep it on off, it will show the preview of the game while it's going on. It will only show the game when the users are actually playing it. In the meanwhile, it's not going to be shown. And also you can remove the chatbot. Only 4x50 it's going to still show. Yeah, that is it. These are the configurations. Obviously, you can always enable and disable the feature while broadcasting. But yeah, you have to stream under hashtag 18+. That's it. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day. Goodbye.